Well, rain last night and today all the sides of the pond is bright white. And the pond itself, all white bits floating. That way you can see them. It's definitely something that comes in with the rain from somewhere, or the wind. And last time this happened, I lost 7 fish over a few weeks. And it seems to be back again. Someone did say that the rain that we get and the wind that we get comes from Sweden or northern Germany, so I wonder whether it's bringing some form of pollutant over with it from chimneys or something like that. But it always seems to hit the pond. See over there, it's bad. Over here where the fence is, there's none at all over here. It's just where it can hit the pond. So today's test on the water quality. Yes, I can see the fish a little bit better. I can see the bottom of the pond a little bit better. So even with the pollutants in the pond here, it does seem a bit clear now. Is that down to the powdery stuff I put into the pond, the detox? I can't say. So what I'll have to do is I'll put the skimmers on full, clean all the top of the pond off, and then turn off the air pumps and have a good look at the quality of the water. So catch me in the next one later today. Take care. Subscribe.